All right, I'll tell you when we're on here.
Oh, don't worry, I'm on your website
Yeah.
or your
So
channel.
yeah, you
Sorry,
might. Yeah,
channel.
you. So yeah,
I'll
there we
probably
go.
get a notification too. I think
Yeah, it
I have
says,
notifications on.
and we'll.
Oh,
Yeah, there we go. Mine says
Dad
starting.
Random Live. I got the
There we go.
notification on my phone.
There we
I got
go.
it on my I got it on my phone before
Nice.
the computer. Go figure.
Yeah, we're pretty good. We got enough. We got enough juice here to
Hey,
get
nice
on here.
studio. Did you make that?
Yeah, it's simple. Yeah, I took two. Oh, we let's see. Yeah, it's still kind of ripping. Yeah. So the basically I took two opposite pictures and I just took pictures and I just made them opposites of each other. So I had two TVs that faced in, and then
Huh?
I just threw the chat stream in the middle. I mean, obviously you can't read that. Hey, Dennis Lovelady's on.
Hey,
He's
Dennis is on.
on.
Dennis,
Yeah.
my buddy.
We need to get Dennis in here and see if we can get him in the
Yeah.
middle.
Well, actually, now that I got Dennis here, Dennis, you're on my list, man. I got to interview you. Give me a time.
Yeah, why don't you go ahead and set that time up? I told Dennis he could pop in here if we get this thing stable in the next couple of minutes.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if Dennis, you can, if you'd send. I think I have your email. I think I do. He sent me his email. It's on his thing, so I'll look. I'll quickly find that. Well, this thing is it's still leveling
Now,
out.
now is it looks like you've got the cameras at the same perspective as these screens, or is it just straight? Because
It
I
looks
don't, I,
it's an optical illusion.
yeah, because it almost looks like we're we're angled
Yeah,
also.
yeah. Because well, my camera is setting to the right, so it is going that direction. I don't have it in the middle. Then I was what I need to do is have two separate screens, and that Dennis was suggesting put the camera in the middle. But I kind of like the perspective. I don't, you know, it's just something
Hmm.
different. You know, I could make the windows bigger, but
Hmm.
I'm not. I'm you know I'm here. This is where we're at right now. I'm not changing it midstream. Dennis, we can you hear us okay? Hey, Mike Roche Studios is on. All
Mike
right,
Roche,
Mike
he came on
Roche.
my stream last night.
Yeah, awesome. I apologize. I couldn't get on. I was trying to, but I was trying to not be on the internet because I knew I feel like a kid at home. I've got to gauge my time wisely. I
Yeah, I'm not good at that.
well, I'm
Mike,
getting ready for trips. You know, you're always
yeah,
got
yeah,
things to do.
yeah, yeah. Mike Roche was really cool last night. He actually lives about maybe if that 25 minutes away from me.
Oh, cool. I think
Yeah.
I wonder if I cut into your stream for a minute. I cut into a couple of them, um, and I was there for like 2 seconds, and I tried to pick up an extra follower or two, and then. but, but okay, so we're kind of so Dennis. When I think when this thing kind of evens out, let's see. Sorry, cannot do it right now. Oh, okay, he's driving. Well, you can. You can just turn your phone on. It's on. Just put a Skype. Just add Skype for a second. No, don't do that, Dennis. We don't want you driving and Skyping at the same time. I'd say that would be little bit dangerous. So there, okay. So yeah, so far so good. Looks like I got a good solid. I don't have my chat popped out. I'm gonna pop that out so it makes it a little bit easier. Learning all the tricks. Uh, is it gonna let me pop the chat out? Let's see. No. Oh, I got a red. We got. Oh man.
Don't worry, I just did something. I'm going to turn my camera back on. That's not you.
My oh, but yeah, my stream went red too. We'll
Oh
see.
no!
Oh no. So we'll see. But you're coming in pretty good. You know, even though your the Skype emblem's showing up.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just trying something here. I'm just
Video
wondering if I.
output low. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming.
Okay.
All right, so we got some
Try
buffering
to.
going on. Let's see. What's the? No, I got no. I'm dropping 0 frames. CPU, yeah, I should be smooth, so we'll see. Must be YouTube. So don't feel bad. We got a clean phone call, but we have buffering. Got good audio. You guys are on went to. So yeah, guys, give us some feedback if you could. Hey, Mason, if you give us some feedback, we're trying to smooth out a stream right now. It's telling me on my end that it's red, so that's not good. That's the there. I'm gonna see if I've got a window I can cut out. One of the suggestions is that you cut out the other Skype window. I will
Hmm.
and I will do this one. I will minimize this one, which I don't need. Yeah, I do. We will find out. Yeah, Mark, you're
Yeah, I'm still playing around with stuff while you're tooling
all right.
around with
That's
things.
okay. That's okay. Let me see if I have you. Let me see if I have you. I do have you on lowest. Let's see, property. Oh, one of the things I could have done, which I didn't do once again, is to reduce my output. I've got a higher than just lower than 1080 output going on right now,
Hmm.
which can suck some life out of your system, but still red. All right, it was
Well,
just
red is fine. I learned to not panic with red. Red doesn't mean you're going to buffer immediately. So,
it says will experience buffering, so we'll see if it calms down. We're definitely
hmm.
not going three, but your picture is good size. It even though it's on low, I'm get the it's not the video stream through it's not the video stream through Skype because your picture would have reduced in size and right
Right,
it's
right,
full
right.
size right now, so which is excellent. So we will find out. Is there anything else I can turn off? I got my Skype too. Let's make sure that's turned off. So my other NDI source, I can always you can always take that one and make sure it's see that it's not active because I've had all three of you guys on. Yeah, that's lowest, so that one's good, and it's not doing anything. So all right. How about a Ricky Dove is on? Hey, let's add you
Hey,
on to.
what's up, Ricky?
Oh, Lena music is on. I now I didn't make the comment that Lena she basically has changed her channel name, which is cool. I think it was you made a good choice at just reducing the size of your name because it makes it so much easier for people to type it in that are using phones. I keep telling that to people that you have a really long username that it makes it difficult for people that are just on cell phones. Say you're in a live chat stream, so you got to take that into consideration. I know nobody wants to change their names midstream. I don't, but I actually considered calling myself Random Studios or something simpler, but it's almost to the point where you have to change all of your URLs. You have to change your social media names, and it's not worth it. And I can imagine that's kind of the same situation a lot of us get in.
Hmm.
So video output is still low, but yeah, we're still buffering. I might even we might even cut out and then cut back in, and I'm gonna lower my.
Yeah.
I'm gonna reduce my output. So hey, folks, just just let's see, you're good here. Also, Mason says good. Hey, anybody no buffering? All right. So Dennis says there's no buffering, so we're staying right
Okay.
here.
Would you be opposed to me ending the call and
No,
joining back,
no, no,
or you call me back? I want to try something
no,
here.
no, no. Go ahead. No,
Thanks,
we'll,
man.
we'll
I
do that.
appreciate it.
No, no. I appreciate you coming in, and it's always we're always learning. So we're gonna add him back in his phone call. Fun stuff, guys. You delve into the dark world of Skype and Google Hangouts, and all you have is fun. So let's end that phone call here. Okay, call is ended, and we'll call him back in just a second here. But the settings, if you're interested in the OBS settings I have in now, I've created two separate NDI sources. So those are two basically sources coming in from that create virtual windows for external video. So in case I get a third guest popping in, so let me send a phone call out again to Mark, see if we can get him back in a maybe a little bit better situation. Call him back up, bring him in, see what happens. All good. But hey, thanks guys. We're just having a little bit of a one-on-one. Mark's always a fun person to chat with. We have a lot in common. So yeah. So let's see. So Ricky no, Dove's in here. I'll be if I didn't mention some of you guys like Kyle Lusk. I don't have you moderated. I'll make sure we add you to the moderation. All right. Call me back. All right. Here we go. I thought I did. Let's go here. Here we go. Video call. There he is. Centroid
There we
aerial.
go.
All right.
Let's hope this worked.
All right.
Looks like
There we
it.
go.
Yeah.
There's your got
I'm
a
back.
picture there. Now I just gotta refresh you on my I think on my NDI. So
I appreciate your patience, sir. Thank you.
hey, no man. It's all good, man. I'm not totally sitting pretty here with.
Get started with your free online visit and get
Let
room
me
in the
just
house.
add
Excuse
there.
me.
Okay, there we go.
Got a certain way I like to do things.
Change him to.
I'd like to
That's
sell you
Skype 2. Oh, wrong guy.
tax for just
Back to Skype
$25.
1.
They received the
Is my picture showing up?
I don't have. Yeah, you're showing up fine on the call. I just have to add you to my.
But I
my
mean,
feed.
I'm trying to think of my picture for some reason. If
No, it's good.
okay, so my camera's on.
Yep, camera's on. Camera's on. All right, I just got to get my end straightened out here. Right now, you're Superman or Super Skype.
I can work with that.
All right, here we go. Yeah, everything you just got to be patient. All right, so there's Centroid. Let's see. Let's go. Okay, allow. I wonder if I should uncheck this box. This
What
is
box
what
is that?
it says. Allow hardware acceleration. I think I need that. I think that's what because that allows it to use the graphics card. So I'm gonna leave it.
Actually, truth be told,
Now
Nay always told me to uncheck
uncheck
that.
it. All right, I'm unchecking that. So here we go.
He always seemed to uncheck that, and I don't even understand what acceleration means.
Yeah. Well, what Mark or what Steve was saying was that it allowed the computer to choose which source.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see here in just a second.